This is the US Navy Tartan, a breathtaking fusion of deep maritime hues and the bold, storied legacy of Scottish tradition. Defined by its profound midnight navy and refined patterns, it offers a modern expression of a timeless classic. The intricate interplay of sea blue and crisp white creates a visual rhythm that is both commanding and serene, catching the light with a quiet, sophisticated confidence. Its clean and balanced design exudes a rare elegance, giving it a powerful presence that is subtle yet undeniably striking. Every thread reflects a harmony of color and texture, designed for those who seek a sharp, professional look with a touch of grace. While its palette feels fresh and contemporary, its soul is deeply rooted in the heritage of prestige and craftsmanship. The result is a tartan that feels versatile, luxurious, and built to transcend trends. It is more than just a pattern, it is a statement of poise and beauty, offering a seamless blend of comfort and high-end style.